Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. So this video is very important for all the MBA aspirants, those who are targeting the CMAT and the MBA CET examination for the year 2023. Guys, अगर आप MBA करने की सोच रहे हो तो सबसे पहले हमारे जहन में एक ही चीज़ आती है कि क्या उससे हमें हाईएस्ट पेइंग जॉब मिलेगी, क्या हमारे स्पेशलाइजेशंस होंगे, क्या हमारी स्किल्स उससे डेवलप्ड होगी, क्या मुझे सीमैट करना चाहिए या फिर मुझे MBA CET करना चाहिए, क्या मुझे सीमैट करके हाईएस्ट पेइंग जॉब मिलेगी या फिर MBA CET करके हाईएस्ट पेइंग जॉब मिलेगी, क्या मेरे उससे स्पेशलाइजेशन डेवलप होंगे। तो ये सारी कन्फ्यूजन हमें अक्सर होती है जब हम कोई भी कोर्स चूज़ करते हैं। सो गाइज़, इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि आप कौन से ऐसे स्पेशलाइजेशन को चूज़ कर सकते हो जिसके बाद आपको डेफिनेटली MBA परस्यू करने के लिए एक मोटिवेशन भी मिलेगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पर आपको हाईएस्ट पेइंग जॉब्स मिलने वाली है। कौन से ऐसे सेक्टर्स में आप काम कर सकते हो और कैसी कंपनीज आपको रिक्रूट करेगी, ये सब हम इस वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। सो स्टे ट्यून। बट बिफोर वी मूव ऑन, वी हैव ऑलरेडी लॉन्च द बैचेस फॉर द ईयर 2023 and 24 where you get live class and classroom session, books and e-books, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group. You will be solving 10,000 plus questions and you get a proper mentorship. So you can always target for the CAT examination, CMAT, ZAT, ATMA, TES or many other MBA examination, as well as guys अभी CMAT और MBA CET की registration start नहीं हुई है, so you can specifically prepare for these examinations as well. So if you are Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can always visit our centers Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact the number 8828581455, or else you can visit the official website www.manualedu.com for more information. Now let's get started with the video and understand what are the benefits of doing MBA, what are the specialization you can go for, and what will be the highest placement packages you will be getting. But before we pursue MBA, it is very important to learn about MBA. What is MBA? MBA, also known as Masters in Business Administration, is a postgraduate degree, which means it can only be done after your 15th. Focused on business administration, obviously. It is a 2-year terminal degree or a professional degree. It is tailored to full-time, part-time, executive and distance learning. So these are the modes of MBA through which you can pursue your degree. And what are the eligibility to get in any of the colleges, be it top B schools or be it any of the school you're targeting. What are the eligibility? You have to pass 10 plus 2 plus 3, which is your 15 years of formal education from a recognized education board. And what all examinations you can target to get into any of the MBA colleges? You can go through CAT, you can go through ZAT, GMAT, MAT, or even the state CET examinations. And the selection criteria will be your entrance test, of course, plus your group discussion as well as your personal interview round. So you have to get through all 3 stages to get into a top MBA colleges of your desire. Candidate belonging to general category should have scored 50% minimum marks, and candidates belonging to SC, ST or PWD category should have scored 45% minimum marks in their 15th or in their final year of graduation. So if you are coming from the SC, ST or PWD category, you have 5% of relaxation, and candidates currently in their final year can also apply for the examination. For example, you are targeting the 2023 year examination and you are still in your 15th or your final year of graduation, you can still apply for the examination. You're pretty much eligible. Now let's move ahead. What are the modes of pursuing MBA? You can pursue MBA through 5 different modes. The first one is full-time, which is your 2 year of regular MBA. The second one is the executive MBA, which is on the executive level, mostly for the working professionals. You can also do part-time MBA, again for the working professionals. You can do distance MBA as well as the online MBA, which is pretty much in trend right now. But yes, you get a bit less exposure than the full-time MBA over here. But yes, it's also a very good decision to go for if you don't have any time, if you're a working professional or you live away from your family and you can't attend the colleges regularly. So it's a very good option for you to go for the distance as well as the online MBA. But yes, If you're looking for the great exposure, if you're looking for the full-time exposure, the alumni contact, the infrastructure, the college placement, you only get that in full-time or the regular MBA. Now talking about the specializations, what all specializations you can do. You can go in the finance field if you're more inclined towards finance. You can also go for the human resource, which is also known as HR. You can go in the marketing field, the operation field, and the IT sector. Now guys, mind it, these two sectors, the operations and the IT sectors, are booming right now. Within no time, these two sectors have flourished so really well that it has really overshadowed the finance as well as the human resource, or you can count the marketing sectors as well. Now what is MBA finance? The MBA in finance course equips students with in-depth studies related to the various facets of finance, such as management, control and assessment of collection, investment and resources. MBA in finance is a 2-year postgraduate degree, so which means you develop your skills in finance field that prepares students for various management roles in finance. If you talk about the human resource management, which is HR, so an MBA in human resource management enables a company's performance by providing employees with the right opportunity to progress. The program equips you with the management skills to handle industry pressure, manage the workplace, and find solution to create a human-centered employee experience. So all in all, you will be developing your management skills in the HR department. Talking about the marketing, MBA in marketing is generally a 2-year postgraduate degree that prepares you for careers in marketing. Some career options including marketing manager. You can work as a marketing manager. You can work as brand manager. You can work as sales manager, and you can work as a digital marketing manager. Pursuing an MBA in marketing is one way to develop your marketing skill and understand consumer behavior, because you deal with a lot of consumers in your day-to-day life in the marketing field. That's why it helps you develop your consumer skills. Now talking about the operations, like I said, these two sectors, the operation and the IT sectors, are really very flourishing these days. Many students opt for the operation as well as the IT sectors lately. An MBA in operation management can prepare students to handle different aspects of business, such as planning, manufacturing, production, or providing services, with an attractive salary package. So like I said, these two sectors are really booming right now. So you get a really very good salary packages over here. It's not the case that you don't get a good package in finance, human resource, or marketing sectors, or you name any other sectors, you don't get any such exposures or salary package. You do get, but these two sectors, like I said, are gaining much more popularity lately. And last but not the least is the IT sector, in which a student can join an IT company or can be placed in the IT department or IT management of any organization, not only India but abroad as well. So you have a very good chance over here, a very good future scope over here, because you don't get jobs only in India, but you get a exposure in the abroad as well. So guys, these are the 5 major specialization you can target for the MBA if you're trying to pursue your career in the field of business administration. These 5 specialization are a go-to specialization you can always opt for. And talking about the placement stats, if you go for the finance, you get anything around 2 lakhs per annum to 22 lakhs per annum. It can still go high depending on the interview rounds you crack, depending on the companies that hires you, and depending on the colleges you come from. Now talking about the colleges, you can target some of the top rated colleges in the market, such as JBIMS, Sydenham, Wellinger, Pumba, and many more guys, because coming from a top college gives you a really very good exposure. It gives you alumni contact, it gives you in-house placements as well, so you don't have to worry about the placements after your 2 years of MBA degree, and you get a value for your degree. And talking about the human resource, you get 8 lakhs per annum as your average. It can go up to 30 lakhs or more than that, again depending on the interviews. Talking about the marketing, 8 lakhs per annum to 25 lakh per annum. operations 3 lakh per annum to 25 lakh per annum, and IT sector 5 lakh per annum to 20 lakh per annum. These numbers look really very small on the screen, but yes, when you do work in this kind of sectors, you really feel the value for your money or the value for your 2 years of degree of MBA, because you get to work with these big companies in the market such as Accenture, TCS, HDFC Bank, Capgemini, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, and many more top-notch companies, guys. So what are you all waiting for? If you haven't made up your mind to pursue MBA this year, you should, because you don't want to miss out such big packages, right? And to get into top colleges and to acquire such big packages, you need a very good preparation. So you don't have to worry about the preparation, because you can just head out to our numbers 8828581455 if you're looking for the live class and online session. And if you're in Mumbai, you can visit our centers Borivali, Vasai and Dadar for the classroom coaching. As usual, you can always follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and you can subscribe to the YouTube channel Man Your MBA Entrance, where you'll be getting all the specific videos related to MBA examinations. So guys, make up your mind for the MBA examination, whether you're targeting the CMAT or the CET or any of the MBA examinations lined up this year, so that you get into top college and you get a top package. I'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care and prepare well.